365. And he slows down. Why? Angry 63S. And he slows down. AMGRY 63S. You got a speed addiction. Oh man, can't make this up. The white, and it was like an SUV, but it was like one of those like sport up SUVs. Anyway. Anyway, I gotta see. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Told you. What did I say, guys? What did I fucking say? What did I fucking say? Look at this. Multiple cars. Multiple fucking cars. What did I fucking tell you guys? What did I fucking say? Wow.